what are you doing today, Alan?
Nothing. Riding a skateboard.
Riding a skateboard?
I'll show you some tricks like you do in a second.
Such as?
Yes, such as.
What are you, Tony Hawk style?
Tony Hawk.
Oh, how is this? Pretty cool.
What is it?
It's
I
a little
had
pouch.
the ZR1 one. Okay, watch out.
Do you have shirts? Alright, break a neck. Break a neck, fellow mate.
Okay, you ready?
Such as break a neck.
God, look how good I moved it. Watch out, man. It's gonna be extreme. Let me go back a little bit.
Okay, fall. What are you doing? You're so bad at this.
Watch out.
Alright, watch out.
You want to record you?
I can record myself.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
We got recording. I'm recording.
Watch
Ready?
out. Watch out.
Recording again.
That was the...
Ready, watch out. Move.
You're so bad at this, you know that. He's gonna fall. Yeah, I know he's gonna fall. Oh gosh. Alright, go. Oh, that's so awesome.
You wished it too. Oh my God, both fingers.
Right?
That's what we put.
Number 1. Oh yeah. That's just nasty. Here, have a foam finger. 10% of battery left. Alright, let's go do something else. Oh god.
Come on, Vinny, let's go.